So I need to adjust this camera. I need to make it point back more. Which the adjustments on this system are really easy to make. Just a couple of Allen wrenches. And loosen them up. Alright, I see my front camera sitting here. Got a pretty good view. I could probably point it down just a little bit more. Let me see here. Yeah, just a tad more, I think. Yeah, that'll probably give me the best view right there. I'll go ahead and tighten that down. Yeah, what's cool about it, I got this one mounted upside down. When I first installed it, it was like that. So you can choose which angle you want, which is pretty cool. What? That's reversed. That is cool. I didn't know that. Upside down reversed. Very cool. That's actually where I want it right there. Yeah, it's a cool little system. And what I'm thinking about doing is maybe taking the power from here and then making it battery powered, where I can just have it remote in the back. When I'm you know, sleeping in the back or something, you can just pull it up like a little TV, and it'll be wireless. I mean, that's all it requires is power, and if I give it like a 12-volt source of power, something I can charge up, I can bring it anywhere and be able to view it. So I think that's pretty slick. Yeah, so reading on the internet, the line, this did not come with a kit, by the way. This is some wire I had. Convention shows that the wire with the black line on it is usually the positive, and the wire is not coated with any line whatsoever is usually the negative lead. So I'm going to follow that convention. If you guys know that's any other way, let me know, but this is the way I'm going to do it on this vehicle. Well, you keep thinking we're going somewhere, don't you? You thinking we're going somewhere? You think we're going somewhere? We're not going anywhere. Alright, I'm going to pair this other camera. I want to pair it with camera 2, because that's going to be the right side. So I just go to menu, well, I go to select cam 1, cam 2. Okay. And then I go to menu. And then hit pairing and say OK. So I just pair the camera. So for the time being, I'm just going to kind of mount it with some sticky tape. And then when I find out it's going to work out well, I'm just going to go ahead and I'll put screws in there. There's metal right under here, and I can mount the bracket. So this is just until I get everything positioned like I want. If anything, that'll be a deterrent. Somebody comes out here and they see the glowing infrared lights around there, they'll know they're being filmed, and they can't tamper with it if it's behind the window here. So I think it's going to be a good thing. Yeah, the window's dirty. I have to clean that window up. You can definitely tell. But it's clear enough. I definitely want to keep it behind the glass, keep people from tampering with it. Same as that one right there. Nobody can mess with these if they're inside the vehicle. Yeah, each of these cameras come with an Allen wrench to adjust them and mounting hardware. Alright guys, I got all 4 cameras in, and they all appear to be working well here. My backup camera? Oh, I got my door open over there. Let me go close my door. Wish there was a way to just have them in the 4 corners, but I guess it makes more sense, you know, for automotive use to have it like this. But look how clear it is. Front camera, right side. It's my glass is a little dirty. I'll have to clean that. That's the left side, and my rear view. I don't know what this mode is. We'll find out. Oh, there we go. Ah, there's the quad view. That's the one I want. There we go. But you can definitely tell a difference when you have a pane of glass and one of the cameras mounted outside. But for my purpose and being a security system, I think it's best to have the cameras mounted behind the glass. I'll just have to keep the glass clean. Can't wait to see how this is going to work out at night. Yeah, you got a security system and a forward-facing cam which can record, and if you know an accident happens in front of you, you can you know, use it for legal purposes. And I think you can even set a date and time on this also, so that'll be important for legal purposes anyway. Nice feature to have, and you can see how clear it is, and you get a backup cam, so it's got everything. Nice little system. Let me show you the home security system, and we'll take this thing for a spin. And there's my home security system up there. It's basically the same wireless unit that is installed in the camper van here. It's pretty cool. Not really stealth, and you probably don't want it to be if it's behind here. It'll deter people from actually messing around with the van. If they see that thing mounted behind glass like that, I don't think I'd mess with it. I certainly wouldn't try to break into it. Can't even see the one up front. And you can't see the one on the side here either. But you can see the backup cam, and you can just barely see it. All right, checking out the backup cam feature. Everything seems to be working well. The refresh rate's a little slow on it, but I think I have it at 25 frames per second. I think you can do between 25 and 30. And let's change modes here. Forward facing. Very clear picture. Oh wow. That's cool. That's pretty good for direct sunlight as far as recording. Look how bad it is. Yeah, it would be nice to have the turn signal indicators hooked up so that it switches cameras. Like if you do a right signal, you'll turn on that right camera. That's something I'll have to do later on. Wow, that is clear right there. We're not heading directly into the sun. The sun takes away from a little bit, but overall, cool. So I could just imagine if you're like parked in a Walmart, which I've been in that circumstance before, and staying overnight, and you're wondering what the heck is going on outside, and you don't really, like the box camper, I could look out the window, but you don't really want to open the curtain and look out the window or anything. And you can instantly tell using this system without having to open up any windows. They can't tell that you're inside but you certainly can tell what's going on outside. All right, let's go get a memory card and stick in here, try it out. But there is a little slot right there the memory card goes in. There we go. Memory card's installed right there. Formatting. That was quick. There we go. Now we're recording. Megs ought to be big.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.